Costa della Great Mustard here. Today I'm going to be making barbecue and peach balls. Luckily my next door neighbour's just finished cutting his grass, so I'm going to be using the recipe from this book by Marcus, Food and Fire. It's available on Amazon, very reasonable price, go check it out. Some really nice recipes in here, I recommend it. I'll give you a rundown on what I'm actually going to be using. I need 4 halved pieces of peach, so 4 halves of peach. They need to be cut into quarters. You need 750 grams of sausage meat, streaky bacon, 8 rashers, and that needs to be cut into 2. And then we need some barbecue sauce of whatever you want and a bit of rub. I'm going to use some Plowboy, shout out to them because I like it. I used it on my last video. I haven't actually got that much left, so I got this from Hildreth Garden Centre. A very good place to go. They're actually in the Chilterns. If you live in the Chilterns around, they're in Presswood. So if you know where Presswood is and you live in the Chilterns, check out Hildreth Garden Centre. They've got some really good rubs in at the moment. Hopefully they continue stocking them, and if you need a Weber barbecue, they're Weber stockists as well. Coincidentally, I'm cooking everything on a Weber barbecue today, so yeah, shout out to Weber as well. Okay, so now I've cut 4 halves of peaches into quarters, which gives me 16, and I'm going to wrap them up in some sausage meat, and I'll show you the results in a second. Right, okay, so we've got a golf ball sized piece of sausage meat, which is there. I'm going to flatten it out with some cling film just to take you through the process. Just give it a bit of a squash down. Open her out. Get a piece of peach. Put it in the middle. Use the cling film so I can close her up and make a nice ball. Alright, so then we can unwrap it. And repeat the process until we're done. So I've got these ready for the barbecue now. Look at that, all the peach, all the bacon, the sausage meat. Looks amazing. So I'm going to give these a dusting of Plowboy's rub and sling them on. See what happens. Really looking forward to these. I can remember when Marcus actually posted the first time on Country Wood Smoke. They do actually look delicious, so flip them over, give them another little dusting, and chuck them on the barbecue. Just going to put them directly over the coals so they can crisp up that bacon. Try a little bit of peach which has been cooking away. Very nice. Peach and rub is good. I'm just going to give them a couple of minutes each side so they're crisp up. Put the lid on to avoid any flare-ups. And I'll show you again what's going on in a couple of minutes. Right, so these are pretty much done. All I need to do is set the glaze. Just going to use a standard glaze I got. It's a bit of barbecue sauce. And kids love this one, so pretty much why I'm using it. use whatever barbecue sauce. This one happens to be Heinz, but my boys love it, so that's why I'm using it. Just get a nice coverage on them. Back a bit. Let the barbecue in direct heat do its work. Give them a couple of minutes to set. And turn them over and do the other side. Here we go, the glaze is all finished on the grill. I'll pick one up for you because obviously they're going to be a bit warm. Just grab my tongs. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. Hey, so the pork balls with peach in the middle, wrapped in bacon with some rub are done. The glaze looks absolutely fantastic. Here's one that's finished. I'm taking a bite out of half of it. See the peach in there. The sausage meat around, wrapped in the bacon. They really are delicious. If you want to know how to make them, I'll put the link below to Marcus's cookbook. It's available to buy on Amazon, so go check it out. It's really good. That's where this recipe come from. If you like what you see, please do like and share my video. Subscribe to my channel. I put a lot of work in. It'd be lovely if I could hit 200 subscribers soon. So please do spread the love and share this video. See you another time. Costa Great Missenden. See ya. Hi everybody, Costa Great Missenden here. Today I'm going to be making some barbecue